Here's the simplest and best way to soap-free and safely clean your pet's messes. First of all, blot up as much of the material, be it solid or liquid, as you can using paper towels or cloths. Get it all out as much as possible. I'm going to tell you a little secret. Many of the certifications, certifying organizations, when they test the efficacy of cleaning products, test them against, I'll give you a minute to guess, water. They test it against water. Water is easily an 80% solution to most problems, just rinsing things out well. But that's kind of tough with your carpet because you can't lift it up and carry it to the sink. So the best we can do is, again, blot up the liquid or pick up the solid material to the best extent possible, and then take your bottle of soap-free Procyon spot and stain remover, mist the area, use a brush or a hand and nails to gently agitate it in, let it sit for 5 minutes, and then take a clean white bleach-free towel or washcloth and blot it up. Whatever material did not come up from the water should absolutely come out once you use the soap-free Procyon, and then allow it to dry. If it's soaked into the backing of the carpet, you're going to have to use more water, but it means you need to take a little more time to blot it out. You can even leave a small fan pointing at that spot to make sure it dries so no mold or mildew forms. And that's really it. Get yourself a bottle of our soap-free Procyon spot and stain remover. It comes in a convenient 32-ounce or 16-ounce sprayer bottle. It's ready to use, and we'd love to get it to you.